Let's expand and simplify this quotient here. Now I'm going to start at 1, and I'm going to replace all the i's, this one and this one, with 1, and then I'll do the same thing with 2, 3, and terminate at 4. So when I is equal to 1, we'll get 1, maybe, we'll get 1 over 1 plus 1. Now what I did is I took that 1, wrote it there, and there. I replaced both those i's with that 1 and that 1. That gives me the first term. Now, I'm done with the 1, so increment it by 1 to 2. Go to 2, replace all the i's in the general term with a 2. So we'll get a 2 over 1 plus 2 plus, now go to 3. 3 over 1 plus 3. Go to 4. 4 over 1 plus 4. And how do we know when to stop? We know when to stop when our top value is reached. So the initial value is at the bottom. Start at 1, 2, 3, and terminate at 4. Let's simplify. So we'll get 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4 plus 4 over 5. Now, that's probably no surprise. I mean, if you look up here, see if we can read this. What do you have here? The top number is, say the top number is any number at all. Just pick a number. What do you know about the bottom number? It's that same number plus 1. So the bottom is just 1 more than the top. So look at the tops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the bottoms, 1 more. 1 more, 1 more, 1 more, 1 more. So we're going to add these 4 fractions together. We need an LCD. What's the smallest number these all divide into? Now here's how I do this. I look at the biggest number, 5. Do the other numbers go into 5? No, none of them go into 5, so double it. Do they go into 10? Well, the 2 goes into 10, but the 3 and the 4 don't. So triple, 15. Well, now the 2 doesn't, but the 3 does. The 4 doesn't. So keep on going until all of them, right, double, triple, quadruple, until all of them go in. All right, so what are we going to get here? 15? No. 20? No, because that doesn't work. 25? No, none of them go into 25. 30? 2 and the 3 go into 30, but not 4. 35? No. 40? 45? No. 50? 55? No. Finally, it's 60. All right, so I'm going to write every one of these over 60. And we have to convert the tops. So what are we going to get here? Well, 2 will go into 60 30 times. So I multiply the bottom by 30, multiply the top by 30. 30 times 1 is 30, right? 30 over 60 is a half. Now in the second one, 3 will go into 60 20 times. So I multiply the bottom by 20, multiply the top by 20. 2 times 20, 40. On to the next. 4 will go into 60 15 times. So I multiply the bottom by 15, multiply top by 15. 3 times 15 is 45. And then 5 will go into 60 12 times. So multiply top by 12. 4 times 12 is 48. Now we're going to have 30 plus 40 plus 45 plus 48 all over 60. Boy, this is turning out to be a big arithmetic problem. So what does this come out to be then? 30 and 40 is 70. 70 and 45 is 115. 115 and 48, all right, I'm getting, if I did this right, I'm getting 163 over 60. And I don't think that's going to reduce. So I'm going to claim now that the summation I equals 1 to 4 of I over 1 plus I, that value is 163 over 60.